Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we'll take a look at Jito. All right, Jito has been massively strong in the last couple of weeks. Together with Solana's strength, Solana still is very bullish at this point of time, even though on the short term it might not be, but all right, doesn't matter. And apart from that, I think Jito has a lot of potential to rally up even higher, all right? We might have some sort of a pullback, and we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the ideal regions to potentially buy this. But all right, that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to start with Jito, and I think that's also the most important fundamental element we have to talk about. Obviously, just on a quick tangent, Solana is very strong right here, right? So Solana is outperforming the markets. It's trying to get to that 200 level. The Solana ecosystem is going to follow that. So Jito, Jupiter, Bonk, Dog with Hat, they tend to be very bullish if Solana is bullish. And even though I think it's a little bit more likely that Solana calms down here and that it consolidates, ultimately I expect Solana to continue to be bullish. So therefore, simply, I'm already bullish on Jito as well. The thing I like about Jito even more though, and I do think this is very important to talk about because a lot of people, or at least I have not seen anyone talk about this, but some crypto projects actually do make a revenue. And if you look at the revenue for crypto projects, you can see that Jito is number 4 right now. And they're making fees of about $33 million per month. All right, so annually, what is that? That's almost $400 million per year in fees. Now, who knows how much out of that is profit? I don't know, and I have not checked it out. But then you check the market cap for Jito, and it's 400 million. All right, so the market cap is almost the same as the fees they accrue every single year. That, to me, seems undervalued. All right, so I think fundamentally, when you talk about Solana and when you talk about Jito as a project and their revenue, look, you can look at the fully diluted market cap and say, no, that's the valuation. I don't think so. The real valuation is the market cap. All right, and the market cap I think is undervalued. So therefore, fundamentally, if you really zoom out, if more and more smart investors are getting at this, then I do think we can reach those all-time highs again we made back in April and in May, all right, so around $5. And if you look at the technical situation, especially after getting this breakout right here above $3 and 2.9, I also technically don't see any reason why we would not do that. Now, like I said, I think there's a real possibility that Solana will cool down here a bit. So for me, buying into Jito right now is probably not the smartest idea. I would actually say, for me, the ideal level to get in is between $3 and 2.85. All right, as long as the market is not turning bearish, I think that's a very good area to buy in. You could wait for $2.75, but that will probably not hit. And that's the main way I'm thinking about Jito right now. If we get that pullback, I think fundamentally Jito is strong, so I have to get in. All right, that's at least my thesis, right? That's what I think. And historically, based on my thesis, is I've been able to make money, so that's why I think it's a good idea. I could be wrong, all right? It might be that their revenue is much, much lower and that their revenue does not equate to the fees. That's a possibility. But no, for now, like I said, I do think it makes sense, especially as long as Solana stays strong. Main price target would be this resistance level we have right here at 3.7 and 3.6. As you can see, historically, that's a very strong resistance level, so I do expect that to hold. But going up there, I do think is most likely. Now, hopefully it's with a pullback, but that I cannot guarantee. All right, it's just that at this moment, the risk reward doesn't make sense, even though I'm bullish on Jito. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know right now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.